Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the Binarium broker using Bitcoin. As you saw in previous videos, you funded and withdrew your account using Tether TRC20 and Tether ERC20. Now, to fund your account with Bitcoin, we need to click on the deposit option and select Bitcoin from the deposit methods. In this section, we need to specify the amount we want to deposit. As you can see, the minimum deposit amount for Bitcoin is $10 and the maximum is $20,000. A percentage bonus will be applied to your deposit, or you can opt out by clicking this option. Enter promo codes here to use their benefits. The deposit and received amounts will be shown. Below, view the QR code and destination address. In your mobile wallet, select Bitcoin and click Send. Paste the destination address in the first field and enter the specified amount in the second. Alternatively, click this option to scan the QR code and complete your deposit. And below, you can see the QR code and the destination address. You go into your personal wallet on your mobile phone, select the desired currency, which is Bitcoin, and click on the Send option. In the first field, we paste the destination address, and in the second field, we enter the exact amount that has been specified here. Alternatively, you can easily do this by clicking on this option and scanning the QR code to complete your deposit. After entering the exact amount, click on the next option. Easily complete your deposit operation. After entering the exact amount, you click on the next option. On this page, as you can see, the sender's address, destination address, transaction fee, and total amount are displayed to us. By clicking on Confirm and entering the password, our payment operation will be successfully completed. After completing the deposit operation, we return to our work cabin, and usually the deposit operation will be completed in a few minutes. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on Go to the Payment History section and view the details of your transaction there. In the upcoming videos, stay with us for tutorials on withdrawals using various methods. Goodbye.